Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Honda Civic. First, determine your project's scope, whether it's a full restoration or a custom modification. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a comprehensive wrench set, various sockets, and a reliable hydraulic jack. Finally, ensure you have a well-lit and ventilated workspace to safely and efficiently complete your build. Once your workspace is ready, begin sourcing high-quality parts. You can find these from trusted aftermarket suppliers or carefully selected salvage yards. Next, start the disassembly process, taking detailed photos and notes of every component and connection. This meticulous documentation will be invaluable when you begin putting everything back together, ensuring no steps are missed. With the car disassembled, focus on the engine. This could involve routine maintenance, performance upgrades, or a complete engine rebuild, depending on your project goals. Simultaneously, tackle any bodywork, repairing rust, dents, and structural issues. Thoroughly prepare the body for painting by sanding and applying a high-quality primer, ensuring a smooth finish. Now it's time for reassembly. Carefully follow your documentation, ensuring every part is correctly installed and torqued to specification. Once assembled, perform comprehensive testing of all systems, including brakes, steering, and electrical components, before taking it for its first drive. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your garage spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.